I hear my first test after the firmware upgrade to the 1.5.2 after the version that was until yesterday in beta and now became the up-to-date version that solved some problems that people had with the 1.5.1 that scratched some of the build plates. That was the case with me. Thank you, Snapmaker, for quickly responding and solving the problem of this firmware version. I'm going to do this test with the whale that you can find on Snapmaker site. I'm changing the color a little bit. I'm not printing this in blue but in pink. I'll leave the time lapse and also the auto leveling and send it to the printer. So let's see in a bit how it goes. Yeah, and it started. 1 hour and 45 minutes to go. Still can't see much. Okay, you see in gray the form. Now it's swapping to the pink. Prime tower. Okay, there you go. It's coming out. The quality is not looking good. Oh my god, the prime tower is awful. What the hell happened here? Weird. I will let it run for a little while and see how's the quality. But I don't know if you can see the the pink is not really good. This is a different brand. It's a Soli. No, is it a Soli? No, I don't remember. Mac Ball, maybe. Yeah, no, I'm gonna fail this print. It's not what it should be. Yeah, not good. The gray one, it was a Soling filament. That one came good, but the pink definitely not. As you can see, I don't know. Let's see the zoom. Yeah, the prime part is really bad. Weird. Back to the sketchboard. Oh my god, that was such a rookie mistake. Probably you can go back in time and see in the video early on I had here the wrong material. I have for the blue a silk filament and not the generic one. So I'm gonna pick a generic PLA. And for the white, okay, yeah, the gray is also it's not Snapmaker. That's a generic one. Okay, generic. The black one is indeed a Snapmaker PLA. So I leave that at that as it is. Slice again and sending to print. Of course, the quality was awful. Okay, PLA, everything looks fine now. Time lapsing, auto leveling, and go. And back to the machine. Now with the correct selection. Oh no, look at that. No, it's not good. The filament is not printing correctly. Nothing to do anymore with the proper selection. I'm failing this print again. Come on. And here's the finished product. Actually, the final result is good, but to reach there was quite a journey. I had some troubles with my extruder. As you see here from the quality from the beginning of the print tower was everything but perfect, and it took me a while to figure out what's going on. And actually I solved this problem by releasing some of the tensions on the extruder gears. There is a little screw on the side that you can turn clockwise or counterclockwise and increase the amount of power of force that exerted by this. That's the lever that you can release the extruder gear, and there is a coil here, and the tension of this coil can be adjusted. And I released a little bit and experimented a little, and then I could get finally the print to finish. And here it is, the pinky whale.